How do you think today's gonna go?
It better go good. We got 130 dozen out again, so hopefully we can repeat what we did yesterday, and hopefully we can actually get a spec limit today too.
That's what the spread's looking like. This is our hide, laying white.
Big holes there. I'm gonna take another big ass giant hole on the other side. So they're either gonna finish there, or right here.
They're pretty spread out.
We can make another hole here.
Like right behind Christian or something.
Too worried about it. I kind of want to leave it the way it is.
See how they
If
go.
anything, maybe pull a few of these snow socks real quick and kind of flake them out into here. Just because it's a hard, like, they're in a line, first line. Pull some of these out here, and just shove them up. I mean, just a few. Take them on the foot. I take them to the left. That's probably good.
Alright, Landon, what kind of spread we running today? Alright.
Daisy here. Daisy, come here. Daisy here. Daisy, come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl.
Hey, hold on, guys.
we only get one? Back. I thought those two were gonna go down. Back. Daisy, come here.
Oh, he's coming back.
Stay. Did we get more than one? Daisy. I think so too. to switch. I don't think I got one. Here, good girl, here. Here. Daisy, come here.
Hey, there's some right on the outside of the branch. Take that one out of my Q1.
Yeah, Woody. Woody. They're gonna get like 6 of them. Shoot at them. Daisy, go.
Hey guys, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. Obviously, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, all the usual things everybody normally says. Just putting the finishing touches on this video and the last video. If you haven't seen the last video, go watch it. It's a banger. We shot a 9-man limit. I'm finishing it up right now. Obviously, you can tell it's a good one. So if you haven't done that, please do that. It was an amazing hunt today. Today we did a pretty much a follow-up hunt. We did kind of the same spread, still 130 dozen decoys laid in the white, and wind really picked up, so kind of screwed with the birds. And then they actually, after we shot at a group, they went to the field over, so kind of messed up our hunt a little bit, but I think we still ended with 27 or 28, something like that. So all in all, still a great hunt. We were 4 away from a spec limit, and then we were over halfway to a Canadian limit, and very well could have got there if just a couple more things went our way. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.